Hello guys, welcome back to your own channel. I hope you are well. So guys, in this video today I am going to show you that how you can fix require iOS 14 or later problem. Guys, you can see guys in this iPhone, this is basically iPhone 6, but guys whenever I will try to install any application which require like iOS 14 or later, then guys it will show like same type of problem. So firstly guys I will show you, and basically this type of error and this type of pop-up you will see only iPhone 5s, 6 or 6 plus devices. So but guys today I will show you, if you want to download that application in iPhone, then how you can do this. So basically guys you can see guys it require like this application require iOS 14 or later, but guys don't worry, I will show you that how you can download this application. Right guys, you can see guys here is showing like it you cannot download because you have no any iOS 14 or later basically. But today I will show you that how you can download this application even if it is showing like this type of problem, you have no iOS 14, but still guys you can download this application if you want to download. So guys basically you can see, but don't worry, I will show you that how you can download any application which you want to download, but guys it require iOS 14 or later problem. Then guys you can fix that problem without any problem. You can download Netflix, any application like Twitter, any application which require like iOS 14 in your iPhone 5s or 6 or 6 plus. Basically I will fix this problem without any laptop and PC. Yes guys, you can also fix that problem. So guys don't worry, I will show you that how you can download, and I will show you I will download this application only. You can see it is showing problem, but don't worry guys, I will download this application right now in this video live. Okay, so firstly of all guys, you have to manage a new iPhone, right guys? For I mean guys, you have to simply manage a phone from your friends and family member which device has been should be at least iOS 14. I mean guys, simply if you have no any iPhone 6s, 7, 8, then guys simply you have to manage a phone from your friends and also family member just for 2 minutes. Guys you can see this is iPhone 6s, and in which I will show you something process that you can download in your iPhones also. Firstly guys, in order to download that application which require iOS 14 or later, firstly guys you have to manage a phone from your friends and maybe your family members, anyone, just for 2 minutes. Then guys simply you have to take that phone and from him, then guys simply you have to open that, like simply you have to open App Store in that phone, like your like phone of your friend and family members. Then guys simply you have to open App Store. Then guys you will click on this one. When you will click on this one, then guys simply you have to log out the Apple ID of that person from the App Store application just for 2 minutes, and then guys you will log in your Apple ID in this App Store application. I mean guys, if you have take like iPhone of your friend, then guys simply you have to go to App Store. Then guys you will log out that Apple ID of that phone. Then guys you will log in your Apple ID in that App Store application just for 2 minutes. Then guys after login your Apple ID, just click on done button. And now guys simply you remember guys, you have to log in same Apple ID which you are using in iPhone 5s, 6 or 6 plus. I mean guys simply you have to log in same Apple ID from which you have login in the iPhone 6, 5s or 6 plus. Like you can see, for example, this is my iPhone 6 and in which I am using Apple ID, and now guys I will same Apple ID login in this iPhone 6s which iOS version should be at least 14, 15, any, but guys the iOS version should be at least iOS 13 and also 14. Okay, so guys you can see this is iPhone 6s and this is right now currently running on iOS 15.2. so guys this is the above of 14. Okay, so now guys I will log in my Apple ID in this device, same Apple ID which I am using in this iPhone. Okay, so now guys I have login, and now you can see guys here is same Apple ID. Then guys you can see here is also same Apple ID is logged. Okay, both are similar. Okay, basically this is my friend, this is a phone of my friend. Then guys I will I take this phone for this process because I want to show you like live, and I want to show you fully process that how you can do this. Okay, so now guys you can see the Apple ID of same in this device, both device. Then guys you will search application which you want to download in your iPhone. For example, I want to download Microsoft Office. So guys you can see I want to download this one. Then guys I will search this application in this device also. But remember guys, firstly you have to log in your Apple ID which you are using same Apple ID in this device. Okay, so now guys I will Microsoft Office. Okay, so you can see I have searched this application, and now just hold on guys, and you can see guys this is the application. So now guys simply you have to click on get button. Now guys I am going to show you very important thing, and I am going to tell you very important thing, because guys by doing this process, actually guys when you will log in your Apple ID in this device and when you will install that application in this device, your application will be automatically purchased in your Apple ID. I mean guys you can see right now I have search this application in this device, and I have now searched. You can see now guys, I will download this application fully, and basically guys, by doing this process your application will be purchased in your Apple ID also, because guys you can see I have not clicked in this device, but you can see guys I have not clicked on this device, but here is showing also, it is showing like downloading, but you can see I have do this process only in this device. Basically guys, when you will do this process, you can able to install that application in your iPhone also, because guys both Apple ID are similar, both Apple ID has similar. That's why you can see here is showing also downloading, and here is showing also downloading, but guys I have not clicked on this iPhone on the get button, but guys still here is showing downloading, because guys the both Apple ID has similar, that you have to guys just wait, and you can see guys in this device has been also downloaded. You can see guys in this device also has showing like downloading. So this is a process you can download any application like which require iOS 14 or later.